In this video, I'll show you how to use your iPad as an external display for your Mac Mini M4. And this can be done using the Wi-Fi without any wires. For this, you'll need to have a display already connected to your Mac Mini. What I'll show you next is not to use your iPad as the single display for your Mac Mini. It's more like a dual monitor setup. So to do that, you absolutely need to have your iPad connected to the same Apple account as your Mac Mini M4. Once this is done, make sure your Mac Mini is turned on and your iPad is unlocked. Then go on your Mac Mini, go ahead and click on the top right corner on this icon over here. Then you're going to go down and select screen mirroring. Select your iPad. Your iPad needs to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network and also same Apple account, as I said. Click on it. And then you can choose between use as an extended display, which means it will not mirror what the other display is doing. It will be an extension. Or you can choose mirror, which will simply means that what you see here on your main display will be on your iPad as well, but this is not very interesting, I think. So I'll leave it to use as extended display. Now go ahead and click on display settings, and you're gonna see your iPad and your Mac Mini display side by side. If you click arrange, you'll be able to place your iPad, so it makes sense, press down, and this is about it. Over here you have more options. When you're done using your iPad, you can simply go back on the top right corner here and select screen mirroring. Click on your iPad and this is it. Your iPad will stop mirroring or extending the display of your Mac Mini. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.